How to delete Telegram videos on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete Telegram videos on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete Telegram videos on Android, all you have to do is first of all launch the Telegram application here. And once you launch the Telegram app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, where what you basically need to do is, if you received a specific video from someone, what you can do is just long press on that video, tap the trash icon right at the top right hand side in order to delete that video. But if it's a video that's been saved inside of your storage, in that case also you can just tap the search button from the top, and now you can just go to this option called downloads. When you go to downloads, you'll be able to see all the videos and medias that has been downloaded. You can click the settings option next to it, and then you'll be able to remove them accordingly. This way you can delete Telegram videos on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.